How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell Latitude 7390. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then loosen antenna cables. Now unscrew and disconnect display cables. Now unscrew and remove bracket and SSD. Now unscrew and disconnect power button board. Then disconnect and remove speakers. Now unscrew and disconnect LED board. Then unscrew and disconnect mouse buttons. Next, unscrew and remove smart card cage. Next, unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Next, remove motherboard screws. Now disconnect motherboard. Then turn over motherboard and disconnect CMOS battery. Now unscrew and disconnect keyboard assembly. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.